Hi friends, we all know that saying, knowledge is power, cash is king. That couldn't be more true for leather shopping experiences. When you have the knowledge, you know what you're looking at, you have the power, you have the comfort, you know how much it's worth, you know how much you should be paying, and the whole situation is very comfortable for you to control because you know what you're talking about. But when you don't have the knowledge, then the whole power situation, the balance changes and goes to the other side. And that's not a good thing. The entire scenario starts to look like a used car salesman situation. And it's never comfortable. You feel that distress, you feel that shakiness, and potentially you're in danger to be being taken advantage of. And in many scenarios, that might be the case. So, to change that situation and take the power in your hand, you need that knowledge. Actually, it's not even the knowledge, it's more of listening to your senses and forgetting about the limitations imposed on you by those big brands before. The impression that you don't understand about leather and all these big brands yelling at you how good their products are, all you need to do is forget about all that and remember, it's a sensation, it's a feeling situation, and you have what it takes. You go back to that base knowledge and you approach the situations like that and you check it, feel it for yourself. You immediately know you're looking at the good stuff or not. And you know how much to pay, how much it's worth. You cannot be taken advantage of. It becomes much more powerful and comfortable situation. You get rid of that dis-ease and this stress when you're in the process of shopping for something leather. So once you acquire this knowledge power in this situation, the cash becomes the king because you're going to save so much money. You're not going to be taking advantage of anymore. The things you will buy will last a long time, so you don't have to buy it again. Leather is a durable material. It has to last you for tens of years, decades. You should be able to carry it, and they only need to get better as you use them. Again, the really great products, especially natural products and leather, they come at you in your hand in their prime situation, but they only age into better pieces. They get better as you use them. They patina, they build character with you, and they build memories. That's why they're more than products. They have souls, they're living entities, and they become part of your life. But if you're getting something subpar, it's too much processed, man-made, non-leather, or heavily processed leather, then it comes to you at its peak performance, peak look, and it's gonna start decaying. It's gonna start cracking, stripping, falling apart. And that's how you know you're looking at a bad item. That's your knowledge, and that's your saving to make you look like king using those great leather goods going forward in your future. Hopefully, this will make you a better leather shopper and save you a lot of money in your future leather shopping. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get content every day to become more leather savvy. And don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I post new content. Thank you.